Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Tesla connector latch issues safely for daily use. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials needed for the repair. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a replacement latch, and safety gloves. Ensure the Tesla is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Locate the charging port on your Tesla where the connector latch issue is present. Examine the latch closely to determine the extent of the damage. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open any outer casing if necessary. Once you have access, take a moment to inspect any screws that may need to be removed. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the latch mechanism from its housing. Gently pull away the damaged latch, taking care not to damage surrounding components. Compare the old latch with the new replacement to ensure they match. Position the new latch in its designated slot. Secure the latch by screwing it back into place with the Phillips screwdriver. Before reassembling any outer casing, test the latch to ensure it operates smoothly. If the latch works properly, reattach any outer casing securely. Make sure all screws are tightened to avoid any future issues. Finally, reconnect your Tesla to a power source and ensure everything functions correctly. Your Tesla connector latch should now be restored and ready for daily use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.